Welcome to the Weather Center. It looks like we're going to end the work week on a very hot note across much of the country, and so accordingly the South African Weather Service has issued 2 heat-related weather alerts, including an advisory for heat wave conditions which should last until Sunday across the Northern Cape, extending into the northwest and western Limpopo, down into Gauteng and over parts of the Free State. A warning has also been issued for high fire danger across much of the Northern Cape, where runaway fires are possible in places. Now with that, here's a look at top temperatures for your Friday afternoon. A sizzling 42 is forecast for Uppington, 39 for the high in Kimberley, slightly cooler in Bloemfontein, a hot 36 in Mahikeng, just a degree cooler in Pretoria, 32 for the high in Joburg and Richards Bay. Durban will peak at 30 degrees, cooler over the southern areas where temperatures will lie in the mid-20s for East London, Port Elizabeth and George, and a warm 29 is forecast for the mother city. And now for a look at the rest of the weather across South Africa this Friday. Very isolated thunder showers are forecast in these areas highlighted here. It's going to be partly cloudy but dry across the eastern areas along the east and the south coast, and we are going to see high-level clouds streaming into the western parts of the country. We are expecting just a 40% chance of showers this afternoon, where you see that light shade of blue. Now here's a closer look at the coastal conditions for your Friday. We are expecting poor beach conditions over much of the west coast thanks to strong southerly winds forecast here. The winds get lighter, however, as we go towards Langaban. Favorable beach conditions are forecast along the southwest coastline, mostly a southerly airflow is expected here. Swell heights for the boaters who average around 2.5 meters off the southwest coast. We are expecting slightly smaller swell heights along the south coast. Moderate onshore winds are forecast here, and beach conditions are going to be pretty favorable. We are also expecting great beach conditions along the east coast, southeasterlies for the Wild Coast and East London, and a northeasterly breeze is forecast for Durban and Richards Bay.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com